here to demonstrate and install the Kenaurd item number KETD01. It's a keypad deadbolt. It's got a weatherized gasket here. It's optional if it's not going to be in the weather. You actually don't need to leave that on, but why not? This is the battery pack on the inside. This is really heavy duty. It's really nice. The cover is friction, held on with friction. There's no screws or anything that holds it on. The first thing we do in these situations is put in the deadbolt. Wire you just feed through the bottom below the latch, put the tailpiece through. You go ahead and test it. The instructions do say that this needs to be retracted for it to program properly when you're done. Make sure you have it in the right orientation. The mounting plate goes on here. Feed this cord through like that. And the tailpiece goes in the big middle hole there. Line up the bolt holes and you can get those started. Usually with your fingers. With all deadbolt installations, I never tighten up the bolts completely on the door until I make sure it's nice and straight. Arranged perfectly straight, both inside and out. And then we can get going with the installation. Now you can see the colored pink. The color pink lines up on this. And you know you've got it lined up properly if it starts beeping at you. And then you have to put the cable through this little hook here so that it stays out of the way. And you just slide it into position. Okay, I finished installing it on the mount here on the door. Once you put in the batteries, it beeps at you. You wake up the screen by touching it. And actually, I've already programmed it, but once you touch it, when you leave your residence or business, you touch the screen, it locks for you. To unlock it, you wake the screen up. It gives you some random numbers. It keeps your fingers from wearing out certain spots on the keypad where someone can come and guess what your code would be. And then the factory code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the guide walks you through changing that. It's very simple. Push and hold a button on the inside for 1 second. Puts it in programming mode. You type in the existing programming code. And then you hit pound. And then you enter your new code. I think it's 0. And then I'm just going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I hit pound to finish it off. Yep. Yep. I think that did it. So I changed the factory code from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I said, the instructions are great. You can put user codes, you can have single user code, you can have vacation mode, you can change the volume, you can have it auto lock. After it unlocks for 10 seconds to 99 seconds, it'll actually try to relock if the door is closed and someone forgot to lock it, which is a really neat feature for security. And so that's the Kenaurd touch keypad deadbolt.